Today we're going to talk about using data to identify high probability sales targets. In a previous video that we posted, we talked about rethinking the territory constraints that we've often put on the sales go-to-market effort. And I think it's really interesting to think about it at that level first, and then picture a funnel as it narrows down to the point of the actual sales rep who needs to pick up the phone and make a call or send an email or have a first meeting with a prospect or a customer. And at each step of that funnel, what we're finding from our customers is that they're looking for us to get more and more specific and give their sales reps point-in-time intelligence to make sure that they have an absolutely relevant conversation with their prospect. So where they might be looking for things up here at the territory development level, like how many sales reps exist at the company, or how big is their HR team, or how many locations do they have, when we get down to the rep, they're actually looking for real-time intelligence on what's going on in that company today. What are some scoops that they've uncovered? Who are they hiring? Who just left the company? Who's coming in? Was there a recent funding round? Right? They want that salesperson to be absolutely armed and prepared as if they're a member of the prospect's team, so they can have a really intelligent conversation. So data needs to be thoughtfully used at each level of that funnel, and it needs to get more and more specific as we get down to the point of the actual seller who's interacting with the prospect.